So here's Mr. Swapnil Memane with us. He has been riding since 2003, right?
Right.
So which was your first bike and how many rides you did? And why did you shift to Harley Davidson and why are you continuing your ride?
Okay. In 2003, I started with Splendor. Then I shifted
The first
immediately
bike
with
for everyone.
Yep. And after immediately 3 months, I shifted to Pulsar 150
Oh, great.
with that gold headlight, which is kind of sporty bike at that time. So I just shifted to Pulsar.
Pulsar.
But within the 1 year, I shifted to Honda Unicorn.
Oh my
Just
god.
because of somehow I'm not happy with
Honda
Pulsar.
Unicorn was my first bike. Cherry red color.
Okay.
I bought it in 2011 something. So it was my first bike, the first one registered on my name.
Okay.
So continue, yeah, Acharya.
Okay, right. So I shifted to Pulsar. Within the year, I changed that bike and I shifted to Honda Unicorn. Then I done my first long ride from Pune to Bangalore with
Nice.
another three riders. So we four started our journey early in the morning, and same day we reached to Bangalore. So that was a good
The
experience.
first
Where
ride, first long ride, and the same day you reached Bangalore also.
true, right.
That was great.
So at that time, like it's from inside. Like no, we need to start riding.
ये
now.
कर सकते हैं यार,
Right.
ये हम तेरा भाई करेगा आज.
And another thing is like in around 2015, I brought Bullet 350 and I completed Pune to Leh Ladakh.
Oh,
Within 11 days,
that's a
I
great achievement, I should say.
and within 11 days I completed Pune, Kashmir, then Kargil Hills, then Leh, then Sumodari, and again back to Kashmir to Pune. So I have now
my.
completed
So,
that circular route.
what was the total kilometers that you completed?
It's around 2,900 or something. But it
How many
took
days did you take for
21
it?
days. 22
21
days. Actually.
days, 22 days,
Right.
and 2000.
900 kilometers. It's
900.
2,864 something.
So, 22 days and 2,900 kilometers. How
Right.
many of you were there?
11 people.
11 people.
Right.
And the
And
commitment
all
and
are-
the dedication that
Right.
you needed.
All people are with the Royal Enfield people.
Oh,
So I have a good experience with this Royal Enfield guys. They are very good, very cooperative. And it is my second ride, which is quite long ride. So I was new person for such long ride. So they helped me a lot along with my how to do a bike arrangement, how to assemble the spares, how to arrangement of the luggage, how to reduce and minimize the luggage, how to tackle with the bad condition of road.
right.
So everybody is like very friendly with everyone, and they teaches me a lot. And meanwhile,
So, you believe in biking.
true.
You don't believe in a brand or the brand of the bike. You just believe in the brotherhood and the biking.
Yeah. Basically, I prefer
Where did
brother.
you get the best brotherhood or the best support from the community?
Right. So basically, I shifted to Harley because of the brotherhood nature only. Because I have a smaller version of the Harley, which is a street rod. It's 750cc only.
Yeah.
But in Harley, it is not like if you are purchasing a 700cc bike or 1200cc bike, your brotherhood will be same.
Yeah, right.
Either you go with any kind of bike, but you will get good brotherhood, good support, and basically it's like what I feel is like in other brand, though they are very good, but comparatively Harley, they arrange a lot of local rides along with the long rides,
Yeah.
where you can communicate with a lot of riders.
So the local rides are where you can perfect your skill or you can learn the
Yeah,
skill
basically you
from
can
the
learn
pro
a lot
riders.
basically you can learn a lot of skills of pro riders, how they drive, how they maintain their machines, how they arrange everything,
Yeah,
and how they
or whenever the potholes come, they direct you that there's a pothole.
true. That's a
There's
very
a speed
good.
breaker.
That's a very good
So the new riders
helping
learn the
nature
new
of this
things
is
of the.
right. I basically rode with this Honda
They
people,
just
with
signal
the
you with
RC
the hand.
people.
That
Right.
one finger, one hand, and they just signal you there, a
Right.
pothole, there, a speed breaker. You should understand there's a
Right.
pothole or a speed breaker, and you should slow down and
Basically,
maintain the pace.
Harley community, it is the one community which is well developed regarding a brotherhood and regarding the what do we call riding skills. Basically, what I feel is like Harley is only one community in India which is well developed and well professional riders
Yeah,
over
sure.
here.
So Harley should continue their operations in India. The
Basically,
millennials
yes.
will just join. They are
true.
not sure about the brand, yeah, okay, but when they know the actual value, the brotherhood of this brand, they will sure join in for the ride.
True, I don't think so that Harley will stay or no. It's like I'm not a person right to tell everyone ki like Harley should stay here or no. But what I feel is like though Harley will remains in India or no, but brotherhood now onwards
It
will
will
remain
always
always.
remain.
Right. So what do you feel like brotherhood is always better?
Yeah.
Though whichever bike you wanna ride, that's your choice, but brother is always better and always important in riding. Sure.
Thank you
Thank you.
for sharing your experience.
Thank
This is
you.
Swapnil Mehmane.
Yeah.
This is Biker Tatya of Kiran Shevkari.